Welcome back. Continuing the news. Residents of Trenchtown, St. Andrew are on edge following the fatal shooting of a woman last night. The woman has been identified as Lafayne Bent. It's reported that about 8 o'clock, Ms. Bent was sitting at her shop on 3rd Street when a gunman in a mask walked up and shot her several times. She was later rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. Now, this is the second murder in the area in 2 days. On Sunday, a 16-year-old girl was shot dead in her yard. Persons could be seen moving out of the area following the recent spate of violence in the community. It's alleged that the latest murder is a reprisal. And there was another fatal shooting in Trenchtown this afternoon. Preliminary information reaching our newsroom is that about minutes to 5, police allegedly shot and killed a man in a yard on 4th Street. The man has been identified as Pops, who is also a resident of the area. Now, we were told a gun was seized. A resident who says he was in the yard when the incident happened spoke to TVJ News.
And me could have me there right here, so I come in the yard and me see the police and I go, so I say, me see one individual police, and I say, I know that in the police there, and he must say, him not answer attitude and go suck and run, so if me say the police a head go, so me say everybody a head go. So him say stand up and look and watch. And you see what happen. When me look, me see me bring round Pops come. When me look, me see Pops eye white so and be a shot wounds to him face. See the drip of blood then here.
Now, opposition leader and St. Andrews Southern MP Mark Golding is calling for the security forces to intervene in Trenchtown to stem the upsurge in violence. Mr. Golding made the call while making his contribution to the debate on a motion to extend the 4 zones of special operations. Mr. Golding says while there has been enhanced security in Trenchtown, it has not been effective.
It's impatient of debate that something more needs to be done to get these hotspots under control as quickly as possible when there are these flare-ups. And whether we do it through a ZOSO or we just deploy the police and with the JDF in support of the police, which the law allows them to be, so that there's some restoration of calm and order in these communities. It needs to happen.